What is going on, guys? So if you couldn't tell by the title, I got some new parts for the EM3. I want to talk about what I've got so far, what more things I need, and when the car is pretty much going to be at the shop. The car's actually been at the shop for like 3 days. I brought it back home because I just wanted to drive it. We haven't really started anything like working on it yet because the shop is so busy at the moment. But super excited. The other day we went and we found a hood on Facebook Marketplace. It is also silver. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it really does not match my car. So either way, it needs to be repainted. It's not in the best condition, but I didn't really care about that. All I really cared about was dents and stuff, because as you can see, this could be fixed, but they told me if you can find a hood, it's better if you just get one, because we can just repaint it. The hood is not in bad condition. It's in really good condition. It's clearly been painted before. Whoever painted it, I guess, got in an accident or something happened to this hood and it's been repainted. It's not in bad condition. This logo is actually brand new. Wow, look at that. Too bad it's an eBay logo, not an OEM one. This is how an OEM would look. Nice and flat to the bonnet. Oh wow, am I British? And this one sits higher a little. Look at that. It's not even, that doesn't even fit that well. Anyway, I'll definitely be reusing this one. But anyways, I also got a couple other stuff. I got my passenger fender. This fender actually may not work with my car, which really sucks. So the reason why it won't work is, first of all, this is off of an OBD1 E36, so this light won't match up with the one that is for my car, and the plug is different, the molding's different, and there's no holes. You gotta drill holes for the side skirts. It can work on my car and it can fit. It's just, it's gonna look weird with the light, because the light on the OBD2, which is like pretty much LCI versus pre-LCI, my M3 is pretty much considered an LCI, so this light is smaller and the connector's different, and this molding's like, I believe you can reuse the molding, but I don't know. I got the fender for cheap. I mean, it wasn't entirely cheap, but I got everything for a good price. The hood was 80 bucks, the fender was 80 bucks. The reason why I sold the fender for the price he sold it at was because it literally has no rust, absolutely no rust, and that was something I was looking for. I also got a couple other goodies. Clearly you can see I need new fender liners, so I got brand new OEM fender liner for both sides. I don't even have a passenger side fender liner, so now I have fender liner for both sides. I have an OEM belly pan. You can see the part number is right here, so I got OEM everything. So that's the best thing about this. Since I've been sourcing parts for the M3, what I've been finding is replica stuff is cool, it's cheap, but it's so easy to find like old OEM shit, like, because I'm gonna get the car painted. Like, this is all getting painted, so might as well just get, you know, painted one already, and then the shop will take care of it and repaint it. So that's the best part about all this. So huge shout out to Best Service Auto Body, you know, for making this happen, obviously. So we got the hood, we got the inner fender liners, we got the fender, and which I'm not going to be running, so I would technically still need a fender, and we got the belly pan. Today on Facebook Marketplace, I found another guy selling an OEM unpainted front bumper. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted OEM everything as much as I can, as much as I can do. I hear the nose panels actually fit like crap when they're replica. So this guy's the same guy who has a front bumper also has this nose panel unpainted, brand new OEM. The replica ones fit like shit, I heard, so it's good that I'm gonna be getting an OEM one. So the parts are coming in, guys. The rebuild is gonna start soon. I'm gonna start a series. I'm gonna name it by episode, so it's easy for you guys to follow and watch. But this car is gonna be transformed. There's a lot of big news that I don't want to spoil yet, but you know, this car's not gonna be coming back looking the same. I can just say that much at least. I'm super excited for that. In terms of a job, I know you guys heard in my last video when I talked about my crash that I got fired from my last job. The guys at the shop offered me a job, and I just took it for now. It doesn't pay crazy, but they're teaching me how to wet sand bumpers. They're teaching me how to do stuff, so I thought, hey, this is a good learning experience. You know, I get to be at the shop. If I need to film anything, we'll film stuff at the shop. So it's a good opportunity, so I thought I'd take it. So now I'm working at the shop. Today is Eid, so Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim followers and stuff. So obviously that's why I'm not at work today, but yeah, so I thought I'd make this video telling you guys about the stuff that we actually ended up getting. Obviously I still need a back bumper. I still need, you know, what do I need for the back? the back bumper, the impact strut, the crash bar. I could probably still use my crash bar off my old back bumper, but we gotta see what the shop says, obviously. But yeah, that's really it. Like I got this stuff and I'm super excited about it. I'd want to put this on now, but I'd rather just show you guys it in the next episode when the car's at the shop, because obviously I need help to do this. I can't really just do that myself. It's not the easiest thing, but you can, but it's just not the easiest thing. Plus I've never done it before, so it's really easy to take off and put on. So it's really easy process. So we got that stuff out of the way. I'm gonna try and get that OEM front bumper, which is not painted, and that OEM nose panel, which is also not painted. Unpainted OEM stuff, like that's like, I'm gonna like come like hungry for that, because that's perfect. That's exactly what I need. That's less work for the shop, you know, because you know, when stuff is painted, you have to sand it, you have to get it prepped for paint. When it's unpainted, when it's already like primed, you don't really have to worry about any of that. You just have to get it ready. It already comes ready for paint. So, you know, couldn't really get that with the hood. At least the hood's OEM, you know, that's all that really matters. So, you know, the hood is expensive. Huge shout out to Jay for letting me use his minivan. He drove us all the way. It was like an hour away. So getting the hood was one problem. So now that's over, like all the little stuff is left. So huge progress, guys. For those of you that tuned in to watch this, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for caring. Thank you so much for checking that out and checking out the build coming back together. So the rebuild actually begins. So tomorrow or so, I don't know when we'll start, but I'll definitely be vlogging it all. Thank you all for showing me support. A lot of you have been hitting me up on Snapchat and Instagram, helping me out, finding, you know, your own friends with E36s that are parting out. Thank you so much, because some of you, a lot of you have actually been sending me Facebook Marketplace links of like E36s that are being parted out, and I like really appreciate that. Like that helps a lot, so thank you. I really appreciate that. I was not expecting to get so much support from you guys. So we'll see. If we get more stuff, I'll obviously vlog it. But yeah, that pretty much does it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.